USA, all nations, and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I hope we are all in the same page. And yes, I have to repeat it for each and every section because that is how the civil justice judicial process works, right? So this particular civil justice sign-off is for United States of America. With fatal negligence, created the robocall poverty mandate and enforced poverty to me, and enforced poverty disability to me, and finance disability to me, and finance debt to me, and that is a crime of USA. And USA do not have any birthright to enforce poverty to me. So I am Vedapriya Pro Se, true civil lawyer, signing of the civil justice for myself, and it is a multitasking. And I also displaying all the USA government errors, and USA have to pay me the rightful salary and all the national benefits that rightful belongs to me, and I own USA, and USA nation do not have any birthright to enforce poverty torture to me. Okay, so civil justice must be signed off, and that is why I'm providing very crucial, very important civil justice sign off. And yes, I am unemployed, I am in financial crisis, and I need absolute finance help, and the only USA government should take all the accountability and responsibility and pay me all the salary, pay me the sign of the job offer sign off, and pay me all the national benefits and help me out here. Okay. So for I, Vedapriya Pro Se, proved scandal of absolute monarchs and proved Pope Francis is Roman Empire King Herod as of February 2021. Any salary as in tax-free by billions of dollars, USA government can provide effective immediate using direct deposit to my bank account. To I am that I am Vedapriya Pro Se, native Indian tribe, Israelite tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide, can help me. So scandal phases of Republica, Europe nations worldwide Republica, each Europe nation in Europe map, never eradicated USA Republican or never educated USA Republican government can never enforce poverty, and USA can never create robocall poverty mandate to Vedapriya Pro Se, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge. So it is a fatal negligence of each Europe nation in Europe map to be fatal negligence. Either USA government should say knows who is Republica each Europe nation in the Europe map, or either USA government should say don't know who is Republica each Europe nation in the Europe map. So what is the crime? The each Europe nation in the Europe map created robocall poverty mandate, and it is the deadliest crime as of February 2021, and it comes under the classification of domestic violence, breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress and causation and injury to brain nerves, and battery and types, and assault and types, and false imprisonment and types, and trespass to land and types, and trespass to chattels and type. So I, Vedapriya Pro Se, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, own the text for ongoing civil justice sign off. So Republica each Europe nation in Europe map with fatal negligence failed to educate USA cannot create robocall poverty mandate, and by default created Republica USA robocall poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Pro Se, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and Republica government GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh in October 2018 enforced poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Pro Se abruptly on October 2018, and Republica government of United States of America took away $4,500 on October 2018 abruptly and enforced finance debt of $10,210.38 since October 2018, October 2019, October 2020, and as of today, February 2021, and also enforced finance disability to I. So it is a crime for Republica each Europe nation in Europe map when ruling USA, never educated USA should never provide enforced poverty to I, Vedapriya Pro Se. So civil justice is I, Vedapriya Pro Se, one Citibank CEO, to pay off my debt in full, that is $10,210.38, and also must sign off tax-free $4,500 direct deposit to my bank account, and each Europe nation in Europe map must sign off tax-free $1,000 billion per each Europe nation, and that would be approximately $500,000 billion for all types of damages done by selfish, cunning Islam, Judaism, Europe nations forever. and a direct deposit to my bank account, and at fault and found guilty, Holy Highness, God of USA, Queen Elizabeth II, and Pope Francis, and Republican government of USA can provide the needful assistance on how to provide the wire transfer in a safe and secured process way. And I, Vedapriya, for displayed the deadliest scandal of absolute monarchs to the USA government. I want USA government to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name as Vedapriya Civil Justice Served. And I, Vedapriya, proceed to become the Vatican leader now with civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now with civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya, proceed to become the Supreme Civil Chief Judge for all nations now with civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya, proceed to become the Supreme Chief Civil Family Law Judge for all nations with civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya, to become the Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organization, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children and Family, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports, Exports, and Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya, to become the ambassador for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya, to get the dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And I hope we are all on the same page on the civil justice, ongoing civil justice process. And yes, my dear fellow mankind, there are a lot more of the crime that I have to be displayed. And yes, the civil justice, I'm signing it for myself as a multitasking is a wisdom. And yes, I sure will get the civil justice for all humans in 1 minute, that is 60 seconds. And yes, I have to get the job offer signed off. And yes, I have to get the salary, rightful salary. Yes, I have to get the rightful national benefits, all from USA government in the rightful process in front of all nations only, according to the Holy Bible guidelines of civil law. Okay, so talk to you later. Take care. Bye now.